I'm Dean Bentley. Join me at the Power of Connection online free summit. A lot of the men I work with, they feel confused about how to be authentic. They don't have a clear sense of their masculine identity, and they generally feel alive, but not enlivened by the world, feel not passionate about their everyday. Our culture teaches us what it means to be a man, and we live in a multicultural society which tends to have multiple versions. This often creates an unhealthy relationship for many men, feeling confused, feeling lost, feeling uncertain of their own masculinity. Now, this prevents them from forming genuine relationships with ourselves, other people, and the world. It's a kind of paralysis that lives in the shadows, that unconscious realm where they're unable to see what's actually guiding and directing their entire lives. So this begs the question, what does it mean to be a man? How do we connect not only to the masculine, but our own personal masculine energy? To connect to this new paradigm of healthy masculinity, we must first remove these divisive layers and conditions and expectations that many men deal with, so that then they can access their true selves, and upon this build the foundations of their entire lives and every interaction. I encourage women to come along if you're wanting to understand their masculine side, or even just wanting to support the men in their lives. Join this session as we uncover the many conditions that prevent men from forming these connections. Learn tools to explore and uncover unconscious beliefs that guide and direct the masculine, and be transformed with a new sense of authenticity.